Kenny Mukwan. San and this nurse and politician Musha. Sabe, a Tolabia not be Nimdia Moji, a Tolabia 2 million no come Mudo don't see. A better baby number of 70 pound to Aba, Nipper and the map position a crown, Unaya, Sankaya, one I do pay, and the yes, our position, no uncle, how be anyhow, and Niposo, and your Benya position. President Neoco Parliament here, MP 60, MP said you see or Parliament here, MP Solitaire is excellence in another down by Buffalo, one MP said what Parliament, second for Erika must go, no, Ebi and the name Arthur Johnson, say Nketia. MPs baako adu si amebe mbo mu di akere wo mo asori etia ene hyehyefo fra Johnson na se Nketia de aba se wodi Harry na Drisu na wodi ato forcing e de aba be shem as majority leader. So see, we said it say wodi obi ba be di nkrofo anim, it is your prerogative, it is as a party leader, as a party chairman, so betimi a change this in parliament. But omo be di omanim kan no so what's not say to me party and so to me a change reshuffle our parliament now without asking parliamentarians how they feel. This is how they will react towards you. One more answer shekrat say and nation from one party in the above many young the Edikan El Hassan Suhini Abranti no radio gold and they are member of parliament. Dr. Kwabena. They are very solid members of parliament in the opposition. Dominic Ayede Wakangubi, or number 3. Ernest Nogbe, Eric Opoku, now were a Greek minister. Yusuf Sulemana, Samuel George, Sam George, Samson Ahi, no, were a deputy minister. Ibrahim Mohammed Mutala, he was also a deputy minister for information. Edward Bauer was also a deputy minister for energy. ABA Fuseni was also Wodimo Kotiri Papa Ahmed Nigo Bandim. Collins Dauda, no a minister Nemu, or no crown in Nasam El Quattro. Thomas Nyako Ampem, Edwin Ni Lante Vanderpool, no a deputy minister of sports. Afe Isaac Adongo, no a deputy minister of course. Angelina Oforiwa Alowu Tay. Number 17, Linda Obenewa Akwele Oklo, and I just had a bone of Harun Asaidu, Teddy Safori Adi, or Noya number 20, Dan Latif number 21, Zuru Ibrahima, Clement Abbas Apak, Godfrey Saidu, Emmanuel Benzra, Bukari, Joseph, Andrew, Dari, Hamza, Adam, Abdullah, Joseph Idris, Dawuni, Abubakar, Francis, Xavier, Sosu, Samson, Chiraga, James Agalga, Oklite Tailabi, Yusuf Jaja, Solomon Kuyon, Baba Seidu Isifu, Yao Gomado, Mohammed Adam, Bedzidin, Daniel Nsala, Sebastian Sandari, Mohammed Bawa Brahma, Joseph K. Kuma, Lydia, Cletus Dapale, Alazuga, Akuga, Mofanjame, Ben Ayiku, Joseph Tete, Isaac Odamte, Naza Mahama, Ture, Kobena, Wayome, Alfred Okai Vanderpool, Thomas Vanderpool, no AMA boss, Thomas Dalu, Samu Anthony, Sanja Niger, Unimno, Adams Abdul Salam, BT Baba, Dominic Napari, Oscar Ofori Labi, members of parliament, Josia, 60 members of parliament, no to Omohase, and pay what shall now fail the leadership, party leadership. I imagine, sir, will share minority caucus. For what? Why do you want to meet them now? When you thought, say, who here say, Obabo Babanie, and I say, Obe secure opinion over the change that you did. Ebusia, and Pembe no. Wow, ye can't wunty, Debbie, and I'll be because the party I will share send they Ghana for. I will tell you, bet me at your more free. Ghana for ahunchiremu. Now you get up and take a decision like this without consulting parliamentarians or even finding out from the party grassroots, because and then Uko Mutala Mohammed nem Pesia so asawase for afe womo se a womu afu se womo ntiase yi omo a member of parliament as chief whip. In fact, akonya na ene sebia, so it's understandable say akonya bia no say what is so you must anticipate, you must wait, you must know say you betime you free, so because you don't determine who becomes the minority leader or who becomes the leader or the whip in parliament. Sana kamale so omo party fobi ebuafu. In fact, these things lead to omo ebe say 2024 sana de be bia ye to ma MPP so ye twaba and party every vote counts. Eti ye ka muntie anama bi ho na utu na hwe na ebetimi affect enkrofo ebetimi affect just one voter. You must consult, although it is not a mandatory thing to do. As a party for womusuare ye mobi post ye mobi position womusuare post no edidi womutrim na wapega na beti ai me na me wo sa atumi na betimi ayo entimayo amayo ubeye bewie no na afe na wo san be backtracking na wakọ na yes nka wo ye ne kane no wan yenti afe na woko. How do you want Ghanaians to see you? And now 2 million from my way and wapega wabeti ya me na 2 million woman me na say me take sad decision into my yamaye. And then now take sad decision you na the 2 million mawa then abe. That is what some Ghanaians are asking. Some Ghanaians are wondering, say anti politicians must yahe. More politicians, more NDC, you came out to complain. You came out to say, why is it that the man is not consulting? So why are you taking the same step when you know consultation does help? Although it's not mandatory. As a finance minister, Yamawa to me say, yeah, Jumanama Ghana, Hontonuntinka. Ubet me the say to me now your policy be a very asiano, a book of Simua, not just what you were this. And then, after a finance minister, personal consulting, where free consultation, I say, when you could have done it long ago, that could have helped. And then, after the NDC party leadership, go back to parliament to go and talk to minority caucus. When you could have done that way back, you wait for 60 MPs to come out and talk about it, to put their hands and signature on a paper to detest or to protest against a policy. Right. So why would you wait for people, members of parliament, to bar their teeth against you before you decide to go and consult? Or before you decide to go and tell them why you took that decision? You understand? Because when you have a formidable person like Harry Nedrisu in parliament as a minority leader, which he could be changed, and if you are changing